What are you doing the rest of your life? Need help answering that? Look into Cascadia Tech Academy. Want to learn engine repair on big equipment? Join the team in the Diesel Technology program and learn the operation, maintenance, and repair of large trucks and off-road equipment. That includes electrical, hydraulic, engines, air systems, brakes, and power transmissions.
All the connections are still good.
It's great. There's always something new to learn. It's never the same workday. It's amazing.
You'll get hands-on training and real-world experiences and meet great new friends who are all learning right along with you.
We get our hands dirty, that's for sure, because we're doing what we love. I suggest you guys try it out because it's free and you get a lot of knowledge from it.
So, if you like working on engines, consider the Diesel Technology program at Cascadia Tech Academy. Your future awaits. What are you waiting for?